Paulina Maria. And I'm going to be doing a slime review. And guys, for shout out, I'm so sorry about my other videos. Like I said this 1,000 times in my videos, but I promise you guys, this is going to be awesome video. So, yeah. So I can't wait, guys. So this is my butter slime. It's like butter slime. It's my butter slime. Look, like it's clay. Clay. That's really cool. How I made it out of air dried clay. Do you like stuff to wash your clothes, basically tied, and then I used some can, and I got this, but turns out it works still. But I didn't use it with the actual ingredients. I just used it because clay and like the lotion makes it soft. And guys, I may have to make a part 2, and I'll keep an eye if I do. So yeah. So I hope, and this is a really cute slime. And I'm looking, guys, for 20, 50, at least 20, 10 subscribers. 10 subscribers. 20 or 10 subscribers, like I just said. And maybe 50 to 20 likes. And if I do, I'm going to give a give out with two slimes to 2 people. But if that person keeps subscribing to almost every video, I might give them 2. Or I might get new. It depends. So, yeah, so my give out is slime. These 2, purple and green slime. Or if there's other colors, I check. I don't have them yet, but when I get them, I'm gonna show you guys it. And so if you take it out, it's so squishy and like squishy. And if you take it and you put it down and you blow it with a straw, it's going to make a huge bubble. Barbie has. My room is a mess all over here, and my bed's fine. I need to make my bed. I need to do a lot of cleaning around here. It's just I don't do chores. And my videos are gonna be better. Oh my god, I feel like I have a cold. Donkey kick. So yeah, it's like, wow. Alright, so let's put this away and get my next slime. So here's my next slime. Oh my god, how did this get so it's sticky now, guys. This slime is so sticky now. And it gets all over your hands now. It's so sparkly. Ew, put it away. I could fix it with putting it in the refrigerator because it turned out so bad. Because I barely play with it. I forgot. I play with it every day. It's just, how did it get like this? I think I need to put it in the freezer. Butter slime is just so fun. So it's all over my hands. It's not, but like actually all over my hands. My desk is all glittery. Oh, guys, here's my Barbie. I'm a kind of a Barbie, you could say. Hi. 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 So, her name's Paulina. Her headphones! Oh, my butt. Oh. I'm crazy. So, her headphones fell off. Headphones got feathers in the milk. And let's put her. Oh, wait. Whee! Where's her? Oh, she's on her headphones. So, and guys, I made this mini hamburger. Clay with my butter slime. Oh my god. Focus, camera. It's focusing. I just need to focus to stand. What is one favor? Stand! And here is my fluffy slime. Please be good. Wow. It's still good. Wow. my hammer. Oh, again. Hold on, guys. Get this. Focus. Oh, I missed. My chair's on it. So. Right there. There. Right there. Are we good? We're good, guys. Mom. What? Yeah, I'm coming. So I need to go now, guys. I'm sorry. I'll make a part to you guys when I get back, but my fluffy slime turns out still good. I need to wash my hands probably when I get there. But she lives in my neighborhood, so I need to take my butter slime to show her. I don't know if she'll like it or not, my butter slime. I had to probably put it in a container. So bye, guys.